Little cold start action. Ooh! I feel like every video starts with the cold start, but that's okay because it sounds amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are about to do some fun stuff. We're actually about to meet up with my buddy Trey and my buddy Kenny, and actually a couple other buddies, and we are about to go sliding in Mexico as always. So I'm in the Z06 and we're about to head up there. We're gonna check out his car. He's got a Trans Am. He's pretty sick at sliding, so you guys are gonna have fun watching him. And then also my buddy Trey, he's pretty sick at sliding. He's got a 240 SX that he's been working on for a while now, and that thing's pretty sick too. So we're gonna get a little bit of live action in the cars and burn some freaking rubber. What are you guys, you're segregating?
A little bit.
I see how it is, I see how it is. You're gonna do a couple laps? Be safe. So Trey's about to get nasty with it. Trey drift never ceases to fail us. Hey, pull over here. We got someone coming in hot. What up, bro? Yo, let's see it. Let's see something. Show us something. What up, dude? It's pure craziness going on right now. We couldn't have picked a better time to come. Okay. Okay. He's so smooth with it.
They've been non-stop every day, like 10 calls. Not that it's you guys. A little rusty, but see what I got.
What do you think? I'm not doing too hot. Honestly, watching you guys though is like a bad, it's hard to watch y'all and then me hop on and feel like I'm good. What up? When it comes to the drifting, when it comes to the wheelies, I'm an amateur. These guys are out here every day.
Are they gonna drift that corner?
Yeah, they come in hot, dude. Wait till you see Trey. Hey Trey, let me ride with you. So we are in the 240 SX. What do we got going on in here? We got...
Just got a plain old Jane SR, powered by Borg Warner.
So we got the turb skis. We've got the little 6-cylinder.
4-cylinder.
4-cylinder.
It's a built SR.
Risking my life out here for these shots. Yo, watch this Japanese action right here. You ready? When I close the door, boom. The Corvette and the Hellcat don't got that.
It's that 1989 ingenuity.
1989, and they were thinking they're ahead of the game. That was a sick one. Jeez. That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, that's like the funnest thing ever. That's like a roller coaster, but times 10.
Yep.
Alright guys, so I don't know how this happened, but we got all the cars out here, we got all the bikes out here, and now KennySlides himself is about to take me for a ride. So Kenny gets pretty wild, gets pretty sideways, and should be a good time. We're missing it. So we missed his run, so Kenny, you gotta compensate for the missed live action right there.
Let's see what we can do, huh?
That's what I'm thinking. All right, guys, so now we're gonna show you how the master does it. Kenny's been in the game a long time, so. All right, boys, here we go.
Though, so thank God.
Yeah. A little shaky. it looks like you're like. Yeah, like it's the stick.
Girl after I'm done with her.
Yeah, right. You could never. Oh my God! Oh my God, dude! That was rowdy, dude! Sick. That was crazy! That's some live action right there. You got some live action. That was wild.